temporarily to stay safe after the flood submerges the house? You are right! Should Whiskers separate himself from the rescue team during flood evacuation? You are right! Awesome! When there is a danger, follow the rescue team closely to ensure your own safety. Should Whiskers climb up to a higher place when there is a flood? You are right! Awesome! Whoa! Whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Whoa, yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete.